Do you agree that coming up with video ideas and planning it all ahead is not that easy? If yes, then you're in the right place, because today I will share how to fill up your content calendar for YouTube. And my first tip is actually to find your niche. I won't go deep into this topic because I already made a whole guide in how to find your niche. So if you're interested in that, just watch my video right here. Once you define your niche, it will be a lot easier for you to create a content plan. This content plan consists of various topics that you will be talking about. So it's not a specific topic that you will make a video on, but those general buckets that you want to fill. So for example, for me, maybe those buckets are those playlists that I'm filling up. So there's a playlist of social media hacks, there's a playlist for entrepreneurship, and all those things. So you have to create your own buckets or content topics that you will be focusing on. And when you're creating this content calendar, I would recommend not only to write down some main topics for your YouTube videos, but also to add some complementary topic ideas that you could capitalize on. So for example, if my main focus is Instagram, YouTube, and entrepreneurship, then when there comes new trending topic like TikTok, because it's a new platform and everyone is talking about that, then if I don't have a place for that in my content calendar, I can't capitalize on this trending topic. So I would recommend to write down some complementary buckets for your content that you could be filling up and take a video about what is the difference between YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And it would be inside of your niche, but you would be capitalizing on a trending topic too. So I would recommend for you to have some place left for those unexpected video ideas or unexpected trending topics that you can capitalize on, because it really helps to stay relevant for your audience and make some new content ideas and try out something new and maybe go out of your comfort zone. And as I mentioned in my video about how to go viral, it is a really good idea to try out something new in your content and to find maybe some viral ideas. So my third tip for you is actually to find 3 strategies that you will be using in your YouTube content. And I know that it sounds a lot, and a lot of YouTube gurus are saying you need only my strategy in order to go viral, or you need only this strategy in order to grow your channel. And maybe they are right and their strategies are working, but I would recommend to find 3 different strategies in order to sustainably grow on YouTube, because it really makes sense, right? When you have 3 different strategies that are using different tools in YouTube, you can capitalize on all these strategies and tools at once. So you would be not only focusing on search or on getting in suggested videos or only to capitalizing on trends. You would be using all these 3 things. So the thing is that you have to find those 3 different strategies that would be using different tools in YouTube. So you would be using search, getting in suggested videos, and also using trends. So my first tool that helps me to get some views from search is actually using a plugin called TubeBuddy. So I use this tool in order to find those ideas where there's not that much competition, but there are a lot of people that are searching for a certain video. There's of course a free version of TubeBuddy, and you can use that in order to compare this competition with the search volume, but I'm personally choosing to pay for TubeBuddy in order to get a specific score for my channel and how well it will be for my channel to make a video about a certain topic. So if you want to use TubeBuddy in order to get some views from search and to grow your channel with TubeBuddy, I have my affiliate link in the description box below, so you can use that, or you can Google TubeBuddy yourself and capitalize on this tool. Another strategy that I use in order to get in suggested videos is actually Gillian Perkins' siphon strategy. So I will link her video right here for you to watch and to learn about this strategy. Gillian Perkins is actually one of my favorite YouTubers, and I'm lucky enough to be working with her because I have been doing some video editing for her YouTube channel, and I really admire how big and how wonderful of a community she was able to grow by using her siphon strategy and getting in suggested videos. So long story short, Gillian's strategy looks like that. She finds some viral videos or popular videos in her niche, then she is using the same tags and maybe a title on her video, and then she makes an even better video on the same topic and uses those tags and titles in her video. Of course, I haven't noticed that she would be always copying the same title as the video that she is getting traffic from, but I have noticed that there are some videos that have been with the same title as other videos on YouTube. So it's really fun to watch how she is doing that, and she was able to grow her channel extensively over these past, I don't know, 2 years or so. So let me show you an example in how Gillian Perkins actually do this. So when I just type in the search how to start with no money, I find 2 most popular videos right here. So the first one is Dan Locke's video, and the second one is Gillian Perkins. And as you can see, Dan Locke posted his video 9 months ago and she posted 2 months ago. So when I come to Dan Locke's video and I use TubeBuddy in order to find what kind of tags he used on his video, I see that a lot of tags on his video are the same that Gillian uses on her video. So how to start a business with no money, the same here, and so on. And one really interesting thing is that a lot of brands and YouTube channels are using their brand name in the tags because they want to get suggested by their own videos. So as you can see, Dan Locke is using his own name, and what you can notice is that Gillian does the same, and you can find that this video really came from his video. So it was inspired by that, and she is using the same tags in order to get suggested. And as I mentioned in my video about how to go viral, a really good strategy to use is to hop on trends on time. So if you want to learn how to use Google Trends in order to do that, you can watch my other video about that. And once you find those 3 YouTube strategies for your channel, you will probably notice that those strategies usually come with some steps how to come up with content ideas and how to research them. So simply use those strategies to find content ideas and to make a brainstorm of all those ideas. But when you make that huge list of content ideas, it will probably seem really overwhelming and you won't know where to start from. And it not only will be overwhelming for you, but also for your audience, because your audience needs to know what to expect from you. But if you're using 3 different strategies for your channel, your content can be just out of place and they won't understand the idea behind the whole channel of yours. So my 4th tip for you is to create a coherent story from those different pieces of content. And in my channel, you can probably notice a whole storyline behind my video content. For example, when I'm finishing video, I can usually say what my next video will be about, and I also say a reason why you should be interested in watching my next video. For example, in this video we talked about how to fill up your content calendar for YouTube. But if you feel that you need a little push for staying consistent on YouTube, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, because in my next video I will be interviewing a fellow YouTube creator, Demelza Marie, and we will be talking about how to stay consistent on YouTube. Did you see what I just did here? But seriously, if you're interested in how to stay consistent on YouTube, subscribe to my channel and click the bell to be notified about this next video. And in the meanwhile, you can watch these two videos because they are also about social media, and remember to keep striving forward.